Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to talk about concatenate. It's a fun word to say. Pretty simple formula, and actually can even be simplified without a formula. So we'll talk about that too. Well, essentially what we are going to do is it is going to combine text for us. So we can either type it out, concatenate, select our text, and then it will just combine all that text into a one cell for you. If you wanted to throw in some spaces, you could do that by just throwing in quote space quote, and then it will throw in a space in the cell for you. You can do the same thing without the formula. So if you wanted to combine these and you didn't want to type out a really long word that no one ever uses, you could just throw in that cell, hit an and then it will let you put in other cells. Just make sure you put that and in between each one. And same thing if you wanted to put a space in there, you could do quote space quote and throw in another and it will give you a space in there. Now something to note is that, as you can see, we have some dollar formatting over here, but when it combines it all, there is no formatting in it. If you wanted to make a dollar format in there, that would require a text function. You can check out my other video on the text function for that, and then that will show you how to format link cells when you link them in. So hopefully that has helped you guys, and you guys have a good day.